is a popular festival in Spain. All runners want to run in front of the ball. They try to be quick so they won't get hurt. The balls are dangerous and very angry.
Then, the runners begin to run with the angry balls. Some runners run in front of the balls and others run with the balls. They run to the ball ring. A lot of people stand along a high wall next to the road. Everyone is excited and keeps cheering loudly.
Then an angry ball sticks its hand into a man. The man gets hurt and falls. The ball tries to hurt the man again. A few brave people pull the man off the road. Some runners get hurt, but everyone is still very excited. They keep running until all the runners are in the glory.
The ball fighters wait for the balls with red banners and swords. The runners sit down to watch the show. Everyone cheers and claps. They watch balls and the ball fighters. The ball fighters become heroes of the day.
Thanks for your listen.